Our ETL software uses a lot of third-party components. Some of them may have bugs or even memory leaks. This is why we use a separate command line utility for object execution, such as package, workflow, transformation, or import script. Let me show how to run this package from the command line. First thing we need to do, we need to find out the object ID. This can be easily done by clicking Properties dialog. Here it is. So we type space and press enter. The execution is completed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.